Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we just try our best. We try our best to grow on them. We just keep trying, okay? So if that's something you can relate to or you want to hang out and just do some planty stuff, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today, I got in the mail these boost lights. I've done a video on these before. I just got them from Amazon. Even my animals were so excited that they started to help open them for me. The lights I'm sure are fine. So I have 4 of these guys, and can you see? I got some new shelving. It is blue. It's actually the same origami shelves that I have in my plant room. These are just blue. Does it match with everything else? No, but does anything in my life match? No, and they were like half off of Facebook Marketplace. So I scooped them up, I threw some plants on them, and now we're gonna light them up. So yeah, after, I guess I'll show you a little bit of how I connect these guys, and then afterwards I'll show you what plants I put on here. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I kind of preset up all of the lights, and what I do, it comes with like a metal wire, zip ties, and like the eye hooks if you are interested in like hanging them. But because these shelves are graded and it's not like a solid shelf, I just take the little hook that it comes with it. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. The little hook that it comes with it, and I just hook that onto the thing. So I know, and also they're linkable, so you can plug, I think, up to like 4 of them in together. So I know that I want the end piece plugged into this wire. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I'm going to put this guy in here, and I'm going to do every other shelf, just because I'm not sure if I need more than every other shelf. And yeah, so I just kind of put the end piece where I want it to go, and then I kind of work backwards. This way I know that the plug will reach where it needs to reach. Alright, let's plug it in and see if it worked. Alright. One, 2, 3, this guy's got to come up. Alright, I knew something was messed up. Alright, so there you go. It only took me like 10-15 minutes. I did have to like rewire some things because my initial layout wasn't it, but it's working now. It's looking good. It's giving these guys a lot more light over here in this corner. I think what my issue was, compared to the rest of the room, this corner seemed really dim, but it is a sunroom, and they do get, like, there's a window here, window behind you. You know, three walls of this room has windows, and it gets a good amount of light. So I just wanted to give it a little bit extra, and this is what we got going on. Let me know what you think, and let me introduce you to the plants of the blue shelf. Alrighty guys, just a quick little pan of the shelves and what they look like with the lights on. Now I will turn off the lights and start showing you the plants so they're not backlit. Alright, so these are the plants. So I put my lace flower vine plant over here. I missed a watering or two, so she dropped a couple of lower leaves, but she always bounces back. She is a beautiful plant. Also, if I pop any of these little guys off and pop them in soil, it'll be a brand new plant. Up here we have this little mixed pot that I've got going on. Global Green, Enjoy, and I think there's a little bit of neon. This is just some type of a pine bush tree thing that I got my boyfriend for Christmas. This is what is left of the Peperomia japonica. I think she's gone for good, guys. This is just a little philodendron mixed bundle. We have some micans, we have some green, and we have some Brazil all in there, looking really well. This is either a mother of millions or mother of thousands. There were seeds that I got from Miles over at Paradise in a Pot, and I have no idea, you know, which is which, but this is what's growing, just so you're aware. And coming on down, this is a Marble Queen pothos. She's looking a little bare up top, looking a little scraggly, but it's alright. This big girl is my Silver Splash Scindapsus, and she's loving life. She's doing really well. And this is a mixed pot of Epipremnum. It has the Epipremnum albo that I got from the plant dealer. I don't see any albo, but it does. The new leaves do have these little fenestrations. I don't know if you can see that, but those are little holes, little fenestrations, which is cool. And then we have the Epipremnum Pinatum Green from Chris at Chris's Garden Pile. And there is a piece of variegated in here as well. I did just water these guys, so hopefully they bounce back. But yeah, we have a variegated Epipremnum as well. Next to it we have, this is an emerald pothos. It's like the reverse of the Global Green. Let's see if I can find a leaf that depicts it well. I will say these green on greens, they kind of go in and out of it. You can kind of see it on this leaf. So the darker green is on the inside, the lighter green is on the outside. So you can kind of see it there. So that's the emerald. Down here is my Scindapsus argyrius. Yeah, I missed a watering or two. And she's just always struggled, this particular plant. I do have one of these guys hanging in my window doing a lot better. And I saw that my local Home Depot and Lowe's have gotten a couple of 4-inch pots of this. So I think I might just start over with this guy. We'll see. We'll see. Next to it is one of my Philodendron Brazils, looking lovely. You can hear my cats in the background. One has an upper respiratory infection, so we're giving her antibiotics, so she's snoring. So if you hear any snoring noises, that is my cat. And then the other ones are just, you know, running around being crazy. Anyway, this is my neon pothos, looking nice and lush. Finally, I have a neon pothos that, like, likes me. We'll see. I just put her here, and now I got lights, so maybe she won't like me. This is my Philodendron Brantianum. Still looking crazy as hell. But we're trying. I mean, she put out some new leaves over here. They look really pretty. The leaves are really nice. But they're little. But I think we're just going to let her adapt and figure herself out. Down here is my Scindapsus Trubii Moonlight. Doing okay. Relatively slow grower. We have some new growth coming out eventually. This is my Global Green pothos. As you can see on this leaf, the outer green is darker and the inner green is lighter. The opposite of the emerald. That is a dead leaf from the neon. This is one of my Marble Queen pothos. I think this is just the marble one. I think the other one was supposed to be more of a Snow White. I'll show you that one in a little bit. But she's doing well. And then we have Pearls and Jade / Enjoy pothos. Don't know the difference. It always looks like a mix to me, so who really knows? And then on the last shelf, this was my Snow Queen. She doesn't look really snowy. I mean, she's more minty now, but I think that's just, I don't think the Snow Queen is something that lasts for long. So who knows? This is supposed to be a Jesenia Pothos. It just looks like a green pothos to me. We have some variegation right here. Maybe I'll put this guy closer to the light. I'll swap him out with something else, and we'll get him closer to the light and see if he pops out more of that green on green variegation. Moving on over, this is my Jade Pothos. Doing well. A little scraggly, bare on top. It's okay. And this is my Baltic Blue Epipremnum. And she's doing really good. She's like taking off. She's going to have to be put on a top shelf because she's hitting the upper shelf already. But yeah, these are the plants that I have. This is a little teacup decoration I got going on. I just put it there for now because I didn't know where else to put it. But these are the new shelves. That is a cat using the cat box because I'm filming, and why wouldn't a cat be using the cat box while I'm filming? And yeah, I just moved all my Dracaenas over here. My Sansevierias. And then the Aglaonema. This is a dead Dracaena that I cut up and am rooting in water. It's doing well. We have my little ZZ collage plant of just the regular green and the Raven. Doing okay. And yeah, this is what this corner looks like now. So yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you think about it? And which is your favorite pothos? That is Mona. She was in the cat box. And now she's running around. Alrighty guys, so yeah. This is what the sunroom looks like in this corner now. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. And let me know which is your favorite pothos. I really like the Jesenia Pothos if I can get my Jesenia Pothos to look like a Jesenia Pothos. But so far, it's mostly just a Jade Pothos with a couple of speckles of Jesenia. Anyway, until next time, relax, plant, peace out.